This 2023 Miscellaneous Overland Ember 190 MDB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used miscellaneous is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps aid, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, LP detector, microwave, awning, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, TV, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Miscellaneous Overland Ember 190 MDB is 4,385 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.